We want to write the equation of a line. Now, sometimes they're going to have us do so by comparing our line to another line that's given to us. So I have to make sure I keep the line I have straight from the line I'm looking for. For instance, it says write the equation of the line that passes through 10, negative 3 and is, in part A, parallel to y equals 2/5 x plus 4. Well, if it's going to be parallel, I have a point, the 10, negative 3, and I can put these in a while. And the slope of this new line, it has to be 2/5 as well because, well, they're going to be parallel. So that's where I get the 2/5 from. So that would be the answer in point slope form. And since this question here doesn't ask for it to be in a particular format, that's a good enough answer. I could be done right now. Now, if I want to put it in slope intercept form, I could go through and distribute the 2/5 and then subtract both sides by 3 and get y equals 2/5 x minus 7. As we can see, it's a totally different line. A mistake that students will make with this, and I've seen it happen a few times from here and there from students, not as much as when they do the perpendicular one, but the parallel one. I'll have students that'll say y equals 2/5 x plus 4 again, because they'll say, well, the slope's going to be 2/5, and I'm going to have the same y-intercept. Well, no, who said you're going to have the same y-intercept? As a matter of fact, that line there, y equals 2/5 x plus 4, does not pass through 10, negative 3. So we are talking about a different line here. So for as far as perpendicular goes, same thing, except the point slope form, because I have a point. It's not a y-intercept, so I'm just going to have to use point slope form. The only difference here is going to be is that I know that the slope of my line is going to be a negative 5/2. And the reason why I know that is that's because it's the opposite reciprocal of the slope of the line, or the slope I have for the line that's given to me. So again, that'd be a good enough answer because, again, this question did not ask me necessarily to have it in any particular format. But if I absolutely want to put it in slope intercept form, I'd go through these steps here, and I would get y equals negative 5/2 x plus 22.